Hello guys, good morning. This is Samadhan Kale and welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel Python Developer. Okay guys, so as we have started our course Basic Python, so in this course we will start today the new topic, that is tuples in a Python. Okay guys, so tuple is a one of the basic data type in a Python. Okay, it is one of the data types. So we have seen one data type, that is list. So it is a second data type in Python, that is tuple. Okay. So we will see the basics about the tuple. So first we will give the name this file as Python tuple. Okay. Python tuple. Okay. This is a caps lock. Okay. Python tuple. Name. Now guys, see what is tuple. Tuple is used to store the data. Okay, to store the data or multiple items in a single variable. Okay, like a list, it is again used to store the data. Okay, now tuple is again a one of the built-in data type. Okay, it is one of the built-in data type and it is used to store collection of data. Okay, now so the tuple is written in square bracket as list is written in a square bracket and tuple is written in open bracket. So how we can return the tuple? Suppose I give t as a tuple. Okay, t means tuple. T is equal to, this is our open bracket, and in this open bracket you can give the atoms of the tuple. So atoms of the tuple 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose I have given these 4 atoms and I'm going to print this tuple. So print t. Let's run it. So I get this tuple only 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So in this way we can write a tuple. Now here we have to note that what is the note? The tuple is a collection in which it is ordered and unchangeable. Okay. So tuple is a ordered. That means tuple is ordered. We cannot change the order of tuple. Again, tuple is unchangeable. Changeable means guys, suppose I copied this same tuple and paste it here. Now, if I want to change this element to, okay. So what is the position of this element, guys? What is the index of this two? Index of two is 1, and as of list we write t of 1 is equal to suppose I write instead of 2, that is a 5, and let's run it. So it will give me error, tuple object does not support the item assignment. That means we could not change the tuple elements as we defined. That's why it is unchangeable. Okay, so this is why tuple is unchangeable. Thus we have write this. Now guys, next one is we see the tuple items. Okay, so tuple items are again ordered, unchangeable, and it allows the duplicates. Okay, it allows the duplicates. So we have seen order and unchangeable. Now we see the duplicates. Allow duplicates. Allow duplicates means guys, suppose I write t is equal to the tuple. Okay, now in this tuple I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, and 4. So all these are unchangeable and write t. So let's run it. So I get the tuple 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. That means it allows the duplicate values. So tuple allows the duplicate value. So this is the thing. Here I will write the description as tuple allows duplicate values. Okay, duplicate values. tuple क्या करता है? Duplicate values को allow करता है. Yes. Now we will see the tuple length. टपल लेंथ हमें देखनी है। तो टपल लेंथ क्या होती है गाइस? जैसे हम स्ट्रिंग की लेंथ देखते हैं, लिस्ट की लेंथ देखते हैं, वैसे ही टपल की भी लेंथ होती है। अब टपल में टी में कौन सा टपल स्टोर हुआ है? ये वाला स्टोर। इफ आई एम गोइंग टू प्रिंट द लेंथ ऑफ दिस टपल, ओके, प्रिंट लेंथ of tuple t. So length, how we can find the length? By using this length function. Okay, let's run it. So I get the 8 elements. So there are 8 elements or 8 atoms present in this tuple, so that I get the length of the tuple. Okay guys, so this is the thing. Now how we can construct tuple with one atom? Okay, so there are so many atoms, but if we want to construct a tuple with one atom, okay, so how we can construct? Okay, so tuple with one atom, one atom. Okay, just run it. So how we can construct the tuple with one atom? So guys, to create a tuple with one atom, we have to add a comma after the atom. Otherwise, it will not recognize as a tuple. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to give t. Suppose this is the t1 as a tuple, and in this tuple, I'm going to store a element, that is apple. Okay. Now, if I don't give the comma after apple, then what will happen? Let's see. T1. Okay. T1. It will give me only the apple, but it will not store as a tuple. Okay, it will not recognize it as a tuple. But if I give the comma, see, it is in a string only, it is not in a tuple. If I give the comma, then it is in a tuple. Okay, if we want to construct a tuple with one atom, then we have to give the specified comma after the element. Okay, then and then it will recognize as a tuple. Okay, so this is the thing that we have to remember. And if we check the type of this, okay, here itself I'm going to write print t1 and type. Okay, print type of this tuple t1, and let's run it. So it will give me as a class tuple, that means it is a tuple. But if I don't give this comma, then it will be a string. It will be a string, not stored as a tuple. So remember the thing, how to construct a tuple with one atom. So I hope guys all of you understood a tuple with one atom. Okay, now guys we will going to see the tuple atoms as a data types. So how many data types or how many ways we can construct a tuple as a data type? Okay, so tuple atoms, okay, tuple atoms as a data type. Data type. So how we can construct a tuple with a different data types? Let's see it. Suppose I'm going to write this t2 as a tuple. Okay, t2 is equal to, I'm writing as apple, then cherry, okay, cherry, then banana, okay, banana, and lastly mango, okay, mango. Yes. So this is my tuple, guys. Now this is the t2. Again, I am going to write t3. Okay. So this t2 is contain all the strings. Now see t3. All the numbers we have seen already. Okay. So t3 is I copy this to only. Yes. So, yes. Now in this I am writing 1, 2 and floating number also 8.9. Yes. And lastly the 4 is equal to, in a tuple I'm writing it as 2. Okay. Then again true, then false, false, then 6, then 7. Okay. And I want to print all these. Okay. Print T2, then T3 and T4. Okay. This is a T3, and then lastly T4. Yes. So let's run guide. So we will get all the tuples. That means we can give the tuple items in any data type. That means a string or a number, or it should be a booleans or floating number or anything. Okay. So this is the tuple data type. We can give the tuple items of any data type. Okay. That means tuple items should be different data types. Or here I write the description as a tuple can contain different data types. Okay. Different data types. Yes. Now here is the basic of tuple. Now if we don't know how to construct tuple, so there is a tuple constructor. हमने लिस्ट में देखा था लिस्ट कंस्ट्रक्टर. लिस्ट अगर हमें पता नहीं है, स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट कुछ भी नहीं पता है, तो लिस्ट को कंस्ट्रक्ट कैसे करेंगे? तो हमने लिस्ट मेथड का यूज किया था. इधर भी टपल मेथड है. ओके. तो वी विल गोइंग टू सी द टपल. ओके. टपल कंस्ट्रक्टर. टपल constructor. So how we can construct a tuple? By using tuple method. Suppose I want to construct this T5. Okay, T5 is my tuple and I give the tuple method na. So tuple of. So you have to give the double open brackets, and in this double open bracket, what you have to write? You can write it. Suppose I am writing here 1, 2, 3, and then apple. I have to write as apple. Okay. Then I want banana. Okay. Banana. Yes. So this is my tuple, and I'm going to print now this tuple. So print T5. Let's run it. So I get a tuple. By using tuple method, we can construct a tuple. Okay. So I hope guys all of you understood the tuple method. By using this method, we can construct the tuple. Now we have to access the tuple item. How we can access the tuple item? So let's give the heading as tuple items. Okay. So as in a list we have seen, we can access the list item like the same way access tuple items. We can access the tuple items. Okay. How we can access the tuple items? By using indexing and slicing. First we will see guys indexing. Okay. Indexing and then the slicing. Okay. So in indexing, negative indexing also, and positive also. Okay. So first we will see the positive indexing and then negative indexing. Suppose guys, my tuple is, I give this my tuple as Okay, I copied this one. Okay, apples वाला, फ्रूट्स वाला टपल हमें बहुत पसंद है फ्रूट्स, इसलिए वही लेंगे. ओके, और एक दो फ्रूट्स बढ़ा लेते हैं इसमें. ओके, इसमें बढ़ाएंगे हम चिली, और दूसरा लेंगे पाइनएप्पल. यस, वाटरमेलन. So these many fruits we have. Now I'm going to access the tuple atoms by using indexing. Now see guys, the index of these tuples, all of we know the first element have index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and so on. Okay. Now I want mango. I want mango from this tuple. I want mango. Suppose this is a library, guys. Okay. In this library, we want any book. We want any book. So this is the method indexing. By using this indexing method, we can get that book. Okay. So we have given the index to these books. Okay. And the particular, if we take a particular index, then we will get the particular book. Okay. The same way. So if I want this mango, so what is the index of mango? 0, 1, 2, and 3. So I will write T2 of 3. Yes, T2 of 3, and let's run it. So I get mango only. Okay, I get mango only. But I want uh, T2 again. Okay, print T2, print T2, and let's run it to see what will be happen. T2 this mango is as it is. Mango is as it is. But if you want a particular atom, that you can take from that tuple. So this is the T3. Suppose I want chili. So what I will give? Print T3 of, sorry, T2 of what is chili? Chili is 4, and let's run it. So I get the chili. Yes. So this is the thing. If we give here print, okay, and then run it. So if we get a particular item mango and the tuple also. Okay. So this is the indexing. We can take any index. Okay. Suppose I want watermelon. So what I will do? T2 of, what is the index of watermelon? 6. So I will give the 6. Okay, watermelon. But if I want, if I give the 7, okay. So what I will get? The tuple index out of range. That means there is no element whose index 7. Yes. So this is the indexing guide. Now we will see the negative indexing. Okay, negative indexing. Let's give the heading as negative indexing. Negative indexing. Let's convert it to markdown and run it. So we will see first, we have seen the positive indexing. Now we will see the negative indexing. Same tuple, I will copy it here and paste it there. Okay. Now see guys, we have to use the negative index. So instead of 3, if I write -3, instead of 3, if I write -3, let's see what will happen. So -3, we will get the chili. Yes. So guys, -3 means watermelon have the negative indexing -1, -2, chili -3, mango -4, banana -5, cherry -6, and this apple -7. Okay. So this is the thing. Suppose I want apple by using negative indexing. So what I will give? T2 of -7. Let's run it. So I get apple. Okay. If I want banana. So what should I have to given? T2 of -5. Let's run it. So I get the banana. So this is the negative indexing graph. So I hope all of you understood the indexing topic. Now we are going to see the slicing. Okay, slicing. That means we can get a particular atom, bunch of atoms by using this slicing method. Okay, slicing in tuple. Converted to markdown. Run it. So guys, let's see. Slicing, we can specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end the range. Okay, so we have seen already the start, stop, and end. Okay, the function start, stop, and end. So we will see again it in a tuple. Okay, suppose I have this tuple only. Now I don't need of this. Yes, and we are going to use this method, that is start, stop, end. Okay, sorry, step. Start, stop, and step. Now guys, I run it, or here itself I will do something. So see, in this tuple T1, I want from banana to pineapple. These elements I want only. Okay, these elements I want only. So what I have to do, guys? I will do I will do print. First I will write print. Then from which, कौन से टपल से चाहिए? T2 टपल से चाहिए. स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे. स्टार्टिंग कहाँ से गई? ये देखो, ये पैरामीटर क्या बोलता है? स्टार्ट, स्टॉप एंड स्टेप. स्टार्टिंग कहाँ से चाहिए? बनाना से चाहिए. ओके, बनाना. बनाना की इंडेक्स क्या है? 2 है. ओके, सो 2 लिखेंगे. अब स्टॉप कहाँ पे चाहिए? बनाना, मैंगो, चिली एंड पाइनएप्पल. पाइनएप्पल की इंडेक्स क्या है? 2, 3, 4 एंड 5. ओके, इफ वी गिव 5 बट दिस स्टॉप इज एक्सक्लूडेड. स्टॉप क्या होता है? एक्सक्लूड होता है, ये इंक्लूड नहीं होता. स्टार्ट इज इंक्लूडेड. ओके, स्टार्टिंग का जो भी एलिमेंट होगा वो क्या होगा? इंक्लूड होगा. लेकिन स्टॉप वाला जो एलिमेंट है वो इंक्लूड नहीं होगा. ओके, अगर हम 5 देंगे तो पाइनएप्पल आएगा? नहीं आएगा. तो हमें क्या देना है? 6 देना है, तभी पाइनएप्पल. Okay, and let's run it, and what we'll see here, you will get a tuple of these elements: banana, mango, chili, and pineapple. These elements you get, or these fruits you get. Okay, and suppose you want from 0 to 7, 0 to 7, and you have given step 2. Suppose step 2, suppose. Let's see what will happen. Apple, then banana, then chili, and then watermelon. Okay, it will leave one element. Okay, one element means, guys, 2 steps. Suppose this is a apple, and 0, sorry, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, one atom it will be leave. Okay, एक atom वो छोड़ देगा. Suppose you have write instead of 2 here 3. आपने डिफरेंस 3 का लिया है तो क्या मिलेगा? फर्स्ट एलिमेंट तो मिलेगा आपको एप्पल, और लास्ट भी मिलेगा वाटरमेलन. ओके, तो इसमें क्या है? 1, 2, 3, तीसरे नंबर पर जो भी है एलिमेंट, ये भी इंक्लूड होता है. तीसरे नंबर का जो भी एलिमेंट है वो इधर आ जाएगा, मैंगो. मैंगो के बाद में तीसरे नंबर पर कौन है? 1, 2 एंड 3, वाटरमेलन, वो आ गया इधर. यस, सो दिस इज द थिंग, स्टार्ट, स्टॉप एंड स्टेप. ओके, हम ये तो इसका हुआ. और प्रिंट T2 ऑफ स्टार्ट एंड स्टॉप का देखेंगे हम. 2 से लेकर 4 तक लेना है. लेट्स रन इट. और प्रिंट, रन इट. See what will happen. Banana and mango are there only. Okay, so this is the slicing, but we can give the negative slicing also. Okay, negative slicing also. In the same way, if I write here, I copied the same one and paste it here, and instead of 2, I write -4, sorry, -2 and -4. So what will happen, guys? See, it will give empty tuple. Okay, empty tuple. Why empty tuple? Let's see. This is a T2. Okay, in this T2, -1, -2. From -2, -3, -4. Okay, so -4 to -2, we will get okay, it will not give same way. I copied the same one and paste it here again. Okay, and now I'll run. Yes, again I get empty tuple. Suppose instead of these elements I'm going to write -4. Okay, ये उल्टा हो गया ना, पहले क्या लेंगे -4 लेंगे, उसके बाद में -2. अब देखो क्या, अब मिलेगा मैंगो एंड चिली. ओके, बिकॉज -1, -2, -3 एंड -4, -4 से लेकर -2 तक. ओके, जितने भी एलिमेंट है उतने मिलेंगे, लेकिन -4 क्या होगा, इंक्लूड होगा, -2 नहीं, इंक्लूड नहीं होगा. ओके, तो इसका उल्टा कर देंगे, -2 से लेकर -4 तक वो एम्प्टी देगा, बिकॉज ये उल्टा काउंट तो नहीं होता है, नंबर उल्टी गिनती होती है क्या, नहीं होती है. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई इट विल गिव द एम्प्टी. So this is the negative only. Now अगर हम क्या करेंगे, स्टार्ट वैल्यू को लीव कर देंगे, स्टार्ट की जो वैल्यू है वो लेंगे ही नहीं, तो क्या होगा, देखो स्टार्ट की वैल्यू लेनी है नहीं, स्टार्ट की वैल्यू लेंगे ही नहीं. उसके बाद में क्या देंगे, कोलन देंगे और 3 लिखेंगे. तो लेट्स सी क्या मिलेगा, एप्पल, चेरी एंड बनाना, एप्पल, चेरी एंड बनाना. ओके, तो 0, 1 एंड 2, इसकी इंडेक्स क्या है, 0, 1, 2. 2 के बाद में जो भी इंडेक्सेस है, ये यहाँ पे क्या है, 3 इंक्लूड होता है क्या, नहीं होता है, ये सब इंडेक्स नहीं आएगी. ओके, 2 तक जो भी इंडेक्स है, 3 तक जो भी इंडेक्स है, वो सब कुछ आ जाए. ओके, सो दिस इज फॉर बाय लीविंग द स्टार्ट index. Okay, if we leave the start index or start value. Okay, now if we leave the end value. Okay, end value means we have to give the 2 and colon by leaving end value. Here I will write the description by leaving end value. And let's run it. So guys, 2 के बाद में, 2 इंडेक्स के बाद में और 2 इंक्लूड होगा, जो भी एलिमेंट्स है जितने सारे, वो सब कुछ आ जाएंगे. ओके, वो सब कुछ आ जाएंगे. सो दिस इज द लिविंग एंड वैल्यू एंड लिविंग स्टार्ट वैल्यू. ओके, नेगेटिव इंडेक्स को भी हमने देख लिया है. ओके गाइज, आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड द टपल बेसिक्स. ओके, टपल का जो भी पार्ट रहा है वो अगले वीडियो में मैं ले लूंगा. ओके गाइज, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. और जिसने भी अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, प्लीज गाइज subscribe to my channel and share it with other students also. Okay, thank you for watching the video.